was the part 2 of my Nuwara Eliya trip, and hope you all are doing good. So, without further delay, let's go to the vlog. After we wake up, we went to see the surrounding of the hotel. I just wanted to show you these beautiful flowers. Please ignore the flower that's walking and giving facial expressions. Hee hee hee. Just kidding. Wanted to get a selfie with this weird and beautiful bungalow. I was ugly at that point and didn't wanted the selfie. Lol. But I got a picture of it alone. After the walk, we went to have breakfast. I haven't taken many pictures of food, cause my first priority was eating. And this was a morning view of the restaurant and outside of it. In the morning it was rainy, so we spent some time inside the hotel and had a nap for a few hours too. After the nap, we thought of going outside and exploring this beautiful place, but I couldn't get many videos, cause I needed to enjoy this beauty from my real eyes, not from the camera lens, but I got some little videos. First, we went to Moon Plains. like I was in heaven. I'm so happy to see this beauty from my eyes. Next, we went to the Victoria Garden. Victoria Garden. Finally, we came back to our hotel. And this is the evening view from our room. After a fresh up, we came to the restaurant to get our dinner. And now it has come to the end of this video, and we were there another one day, but I haven't get any videos of it. Also, we couldn't explore the whole Nuwara Eliya cause of some unavoidable circumstances. I wish to go to this beautiful place again in the future. And hope you all enjoyed it even 1 minute. I will be there with a new video in the near future, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and love you all.